Hey everybody, Amy here. So when you signed up, you most likely got access to Canva for 1 year. If you haven't, you can go back in the form and request Canva for 1 year. Um, and Canva is an amazing tool to create digital graphics for social media. You can use it in print. You can create, slides for presentations with it. There's a lot of things you can do. And as you can see on here, you can do presentations, social media, video, print products, marketing. You can create things for your office. You can create your logo, whatever you might want to do. So your pro account is going to basically unlock everything for you. And all you've got to do is be subscribed for 1 year with Boss Marketing Pro and have that Canva access. Okay. So today we're actually going to go ahead and just create a really quick design. We're going to go into social media. Okay. Now, a lot of you are in travel, so I really want to go ahead and do that travel part with you. Let's go ahead and create a Facebook post. And it's actually super easy, okay? We're gonna do a travel post. So we're gonna let it load. Okay, now when you open it up like this, what it's gonna do on the left-hand side of your screen is it's going to have different templates, okay, that you can utilize for your post. So we're just going to go ahead and search travel as ours, and it's going to pull up different templates to use that are, for the travel brand. So let's see. Now let's do, and you can see this is actually a pro design right here. Okay. Anything that has that little crown symbol and pro are on there, but this is a really great interactive post that you can do. And it's a this or that. Okay. But instead of where are you traveling to, let's edit this. Okay. And to edit anything in here, all you've got to do is just click on it. Okay. We want to go ahead and change this. Let's go to where do you want to go? All right. The questions in the post, it's going to be a this or that. So let's see, we're going to go over here to photos. All right. And we're going to click on this picture because we're going to go ahead and change this picture out. Okay. Let's go to, let's do a picture of Hawaii. All right. So let's change it to, let's have a really good one. Let's have a really cute one. Let's do this. So all you're going to do is actually, you're going to click and hold on the photo, and you're going to move it to that one box. Okay. You noticed how the background changed because you can change the background too. All right. Again, we're going to go into this right here, and we're going to change that. We're going to do Hawaii, Hawaii. Okay. And now we're going to keep the other one as Europe, but let's look up some different pictures. Ooh, you know what? Let's change it to Paris. How's that? Let's be more direct on this, because it's a little easier to identify. All right, so we're gonna, again, click and hold, and then we're gonna bring it over and put it in that box right there. And we're gonna change this to Paris, okay? Now, if you have a website, you can change this to the website that you have. You can actually put your web address there, or you can change it to, if you have an Instagram handle, which is what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the Travel Boss Mom. Okay, now my colors for my business are different than what's in here. So, and this is where you can change a lot of this. All right, all you got to do is just click on the back where it's, the full square, and you're going to go ahead and click this little box with colors. Okay, now what it's going to do is it's actually going to bring up colors from the pictures that you've used, and different palettes. Like this is Spiraling Autumn Leaves. Okay, that's the palette that was chosen. So you can change any of this to what you want. So let's say I want to change it to blue. All right, and then we have over here, okay, see how this is also another color? So we can go ahead and change that to whatever color we want. Yeah. Let's see what looks good here. Let's do that. Okay. And we're going to actually do this. Change all. This. There we go. Okay, and you can change the color of your font. You can change your font, whatever you want to do. When you click edit, it brings it all up here. So if I want to change this to a white, okay, you notice it really doesn't pop out, and I really like it when it pops. So what I would do is, if I really want to use white, I would go to effects and maybe shadow. All right, now my shadow color is white, which doesn't help it pop. So I'm going to use something from the actual document so that it matches. All right, and then go back, and we are going to do I'm going to kind of change it a little so that, see, now it really pops. Okay, and then once I'm ready to use it, I just go ahead and click the down arrow. You can connect your account to Facebook as well, so that you can go ahead and publish directly to Facebook. Now what I would do here is I would go in, and if I want to save it, if I want to go ahead and download it, you can, it suggests it as a PNG file. You can do a JPEG, you can do a PDF, and this is where that print comes in. You can do a PDF print, which is a higher quality. Sharp vector graphics is an SVG. If you're doing a video, you can do an MP4, you can do you can create a GIF. You can also do a PowerPoint if you're creating a presentation. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to stick with that that PNG. Okay, I'm not going to do anything else here. And see, right here is, this is another pro aspect. And this is when you connect your account to Facebook, you can actually schedule the design to go on to Facebook. So I'm just going to go ahead and download it. All right, and then when I'm ready, I just go ahead and publish it to Facebook. I just create a post, and you know, I'll show you how to do that actually really quick. We're gonna go ahead and go in here to Facebook and log in. All right, now I have a kind of like a VIP travel group. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and look, type it in here. The VIP travel lounge, we're gonna go ahead and go in there. Hopefully it loaded. There it goes. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put this photo in just like you normally would. Okay, and it's in my downloads, right? So I'm just going to open it up here. So it says create post, and it's a this or that. And I'm going to put in here, where would you go? And I really like using emojis. So we're going to go ahead and do the emoji thing. Once it loads, of course, because we're on Zoom, so everything's like delayed. So we're going to do that right there. And then we're going to post it. And that's how you use Canva. All right, that's how you create a simple graphic with Canva. Super easy. That's why I absolutely love Canva, because you're able to, you know, take graphics for, you know, your graphic from their library. You can also upload. All right, if you have images that you want to upload, you can absolutely do that. You can go ahead and you know, put you know, different pictures and such in there. And again, all you got to do is just click on it, and so it grabs it and then drag it. Okay, if you want to change your background picture, you would just line it up, and there it is. All right, so I hope this tutorial helped you with your Canva Pro. And again, if you're not part of Canva Pro and you want access to Canva Pro, go ahead and go into the Pro Marketing form and choose, you know, choose Canva on its own, because there are a la carte options in there. and get to designing. Okay, we'll do another tutorial next week on how to create videos and really start upping your game a little bit more. Anyways, guys, this is Amy. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll talk to y'all soon.